shot at the cover of 2 national newsstand magazines. No big money, no fake drama. Just the average Joe and badass home-built rat rods and motorcycles.
Join Rat Rod and Raw Bike magazines September 26th and 27th for the most badass 2-day build-off event on Earth. Saturday, it's the world-famous Hawg Pit in Grafton, Illinois. Sunday, it's the legendary Shapiro Steelfest in St. Louis, Missouri. Free admission. All pre-1980 cars and trucks and all bikes welcome. For more info, go to facebook.com/buildoff or build-off.com.